Hello everyone, how are you? Fine. Today I gonna tell you some breaking news of football. Title race. Every word from Pep and Arteta ahead of final day. Michael Arteta says West Ham can help Arsenal fulfill their dreams and dare his staff will be constantly checking the Man City score. Arteta on if he will be monitoring the Man City scores. There will be 60,000 fans, staff, and assistants, coaches on their phones. So I think that will be enough. It will be different, but you just have a focus on what you have to do. Gu- Dala on what his team needed to do. We want to experience it again and we have to perform. You can think we want to win it. You have to do something to earn it. You have be resilient in the bare moment like what happened against Aston Villa in 2022 and against Sports in the last game. Don't talk about consequence, just what you have to do when to control it. Transitions, the coolness to set pieces, the long bars, how you how you defend every single ball. There a lot of stuff there West Ham demand that you have to do and you have to do it perfect. These are only things on my mind. She's saying Gaudila, Gordila, Gordila on if Arsenal will drop points and make their job easier. If you are betting them to drop points and become champions, you are wrong. He's saying he's saying Gordila. If you are thinking Arsenal are going to drop points and Old Trafford last week, forget about it. If you are thinking every tune are going to something at Arsenal on Sunday, forget about it. Arteta on if he will be monitoring the Man City scores. Guardiola on Moyes. He won't retire. He will be back. His age and experience in is involved case he can't be at home. He will be back. First game on Su- Sutherland and David Moyes was there. My first game in the Premier League, important game. He will be there. It is always an honor to see him. A lovely person. He will everything to do everything to beat us. He sang Godzilla. Arteta on chance of Man City dropping points. It is really difficult to beat any opposition in the Premier League, especially when something is at stake, but there is not in our control. They are they are a little bit of the step closer than us, but they will play a play a really tough opponent. I am sure West Ham will be it and can help us to achieve our dreams. Arteta on Arsenal dreams being alive. The only things have discussing are giving ourselves opportunity to be live, to live beautiful day. The dreams will still alive because it is football. We have play like we do every single week and understand that for the dream to happen, we have win and then hope that West Ham will help us. Whatever happens, it will be emotional on the day. Godzilla on it is being in Man City hands. If even if we don't win it, the plays have been so fine in this period. Still, we are here together. Nothing's going on change. But if you ask all the Premier League teams, the beginning of the season, what would better position in the last game of the reason? We are in the best position that for sure. We have one game left. Distant destiny in the in our hands. Arteta on if he will be good season for Arsenal if they fall short. I think like this. I have to think we will win the game and then hopefully something beautiful is going to happen. There is hope around the building. It will be the last day of the season and we are playing Premier League trophy. Premier League 2023-24 title will Man City and Arsenal will be champions. The final day title race MCI 88 points, ARS Arsenal 86 points. Arteta on West Ham can Arsenal a favor when we Man City. It is one of the biggest weeks for many of us. Now is the most important moment. Yes, it is right. This is a most important moment of every fans of football. I am also very excited to see this final.